Hello friends, today we will draw a side profile of Shivaji Maharaj using a very easy and simple technique. First, start by making an oval and divide this oval horizontally and vertically in equal parts. Now divide the lower half further into two parts. Now divide the lowest part into two. This will be the eye line, this is nose line and this is lips line. Now we will start by making the features. We can use the same method for making the front view of the face. I have explained the method in detail in my previous video. I have shared the link in I button and in description. Erase all the reference line after drawing the features. I have divided this drawing in two videos, otherwise this will become very long. In this video, we will focus on sketching the outlines. We will not add much detail in the features while sketching because we will be doing the detailing with colors. In next video, I will explain in detail how to color the drawing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe for more such videos.